Michael loved inventing gadgets, but none of them worked quite right. One rainy afternoon, he built his greatest idea yet. It was a robot with a giant smile. "I'll call you Giggly, Giggly," Michael said proudly. But when he switched the robot on, nothing happened. Until Michael told a joke. Michael's joke was, "Why don't eggs tell jokes? Because they'd crack up." Giggly's eyes lit up, and he burst into laughter. The robot came alive. From that day, Giggly ran on laughter and love. The more people laughed, the stronger he became. Michael couldn't stop smiling. One morning, Giggly wandered into the city. Michael chased after him but lost sight of the robot in the busy streets. His heart pounded. Without Giggly's laughter, the city grew dull and gray. People frowned, shops closed early, and even the birds stopped singing. Michael called his friends Melanie and Noah. Michael said, "We must find him. Without laughter, the whole city is losing its joy." They searched high and low. At last, they heard faint giggles near the park. Giggly was stuck, trying to cheer up a lonely old man. "The lonely old man won't laugh, Giggly," said sadly. Michael knelt down and replied, "Sometimes laughter takes time. Let's share kindness first." The children told stories, offered biscuits, and listened. At last, the old man chuckled softly. Giggly's eyes glowed bright again. Suddenly, laughter spread across the park. Strangers joined in, smiling and clapping. The whole city lit up with joy once more. Michael hugged Giggly and said, "You showed us that laughter and love are the strongest power in the world." Giggly beeped happily. Kindness and laughter bring people together. When we share them, we spread light, joy, and love to the whole world.